What, you want to go for a walk?
Hi, it's Brenda.
Okay, up.
And this is just going to be a short video to say some stuff.
Up.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
Okay, you want to go for a walk?
And to relearn how to record video. You'll see me fumbling.
Go for a walk?
After many years of dedicated service, my phone finally gave up and died on me. And a dear friend gave me an old iPod she never used to film with.
What do you think?
Until I can get a new phone.
Is it all wet?
And there is a learning curve. Well, at least for me there is. So, since I did not upload the big dejunking video of the Dejunking Series on Sunday night, I thought I would use my learning clips to tell you that I did not upload the big dejunking video of the Dejunking Series on Sunday night, like you didn't know that already. These clips are a couple of weeks old before it started raining for like a decade straight. Hi. I was bashful. But it has been raining for a decade straight, or, well, 2+ weeks maybe.
Why is it not?
And this weather just does me in. I can't breathe during it, I can't stop coughing during it.
I can't get the flash to turn off, honey.
She really doesn't care. She has sniffs to do.
I don't know why.
And needless to say, I get minimal sleep during weather like this.
What are you seeing and sniffing?
So I pretty much don't function at all.
It's breeziness.
And I do still have a couple of clips left to film for the big dejunk video. A couple of parts that do require actual physical effort, which I'm pretty sure I'm boycotting right now. So it's going to take me a bit longer to finish the big dejunking video. I do apologize for that. I will still be working on it. I will get it done eventually, but not as quickly as I'd hoped.
Want to see your tree?
So instead, I've started working on another video that requires zero exertion, or very nearly.
Oh, girl.
And I thought for sure I could get that done by this coming Sunday.
Leave your head stuff way back in there.
And I may yet get it done by then, but the jury's still out.
What you sniffing at?
The birds chirping sounds so peaceful, don't they?
Come on, let's go look at your tree. Come on. Oops, I just broke a stick.
So my hope is to have a different video ready by Sunday. However, since it took me 2 days just to narrate this short video, I'm not holding my breath. Well,
All that green stuff on there, huh? Let's get the boy to pull that off.
literally I'm not holding my breath.
Gets in your way, doesn't it?
I'm getting anxious to get it all done, to get the sorting and the reorganization done, the dejunking done,
Kind of breezy and cool.
and of course the video done. And Addie is anxious to get back out to walking again. She has missed it, and I've missed taking her for walks.
It's just me, sorry.
I think it's good for both of us. But it has literally been raining day and night for 2 weeks, and it's either been 90 degrees or 40 degrees out. We can't seem to find that happy medium. So please be patient. Something will happen sometime. Soon, or maybe not so soon. But it will happen. And I really, really do appreciate your understanding and your patience. In the meantime, I never seem to run out of kitty clips. No matter what, I have a whole folder on my computer that is nothing but kitty clips.
Gonna have a little nibble. A little snack. There you go. You have a little snack? It's just a flag blowing. Your paw's getting wet. You have a little snack. Yeah. She's just grazing. It's a little kitty cow. You little kitty cow?
So, from the kitty cow and I, thanks for watching.
Grass is wet.
Take care and toodles.